Hello friends, welcome to the English class. The SSC board has decided to give you one enjoyable question in form of language study at the beginning of the question paper for 10 marks. See here, we have written the question and sub questions on the blackboard. Try to write them into your notebook and try to write the answers also. My friend Mr. Mahesh Paste sir is also helping me to complete his activities in form of questions one by one written on the blackboard. So, see section 1 language study for 10 marks, 8 plus 2 marks, remember it well. A question 8 marks, you have to write 4 activities out of given 6 activities, and then in the second question, like B question, you have to write one activity each from 2 given sub questions for 2 marks. So let us start. A1 question is like this: complete the words. You have to complete the words by filling the right and appropriate letter to complete the meaningful word. So the first word is C. If you see the word carefully, you will see that it must be corner, and so the letter N is missing. So I request Pastor sir to complete the word by writing N there, corner. Then second question is focus. O is missing. Then the third word is health. L is missing. And the last word is traffic. You have to write R there. Yes, you can write these words like this and get out of marks. Then turn to the second question, alphabetical order. See, the 4 words are given here: front, beggar, ancient and earth. So start with ABCD. A, the word is here. Ancient is the first word. Ancient. Then B, beggar. Then no word for C, no word for D. Then E. So third word is E. And fourth one, remaining one is front. Don't write the figures there in examination or answer paper. You have to write the first word ancient, then beggar, then earth and front. Then third question is punctuation. In Marathi, विराम चिन्हांचा योग्य वापर करणे. Sorry, the second activity remaining: knocking, kidnap, knitting and killed. If you see it carefully, you will see that each and every word is beginning with same letter. Here the letter is K. So let us arrange the alphabetical order first. Knocking, kidnapped, knitting and killed. So I think kidnapped is the first word. Then killed, second word. Then knitting, and the fourth one is knocking. So here 2 different activities in form of alphabetical order is given there. Okay. Then turn to the third question, punctuation. In Marathi विराम चिन्हांचा वापर करणे. विराम चिन्हांचा वापर करणे. She smiled. A beggar changed my life. She S capital is given there, so there is no need to change. She smiled, comma, into double inverted comma. A is capital. A beggar changed my life, full stop, inverted commas, completed. Okay. Then see the second question. What's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Asked the interviewer. What's W capital. Then What's, apostrophe S, then your opinion on the future of Indian I capital, boxing, question mark, inverted commas, completed, asked the interviewer, full stop. Yes. In the punctuation question, you will be given 2 sentences and you will get out of marks if you practice the sentences like these sentences every day. Try this activity and enjoy the full marks. Then sub question number 4, make 4 words having minimum 3 letters from the word unbeatable. The word is given unbeatable and you have to form 4 words from the given word. The words must have 3 letters, minimum 3 letters. So see, beat, the first word is beat, B-E-A-T, beat. Then T-E-A, then table, and then bat. You can form another words, and this activity is also very easy activity and you will get full marks after practicing. Then sub question number 5, related words. The given word is water, it is a noun, and so like cool, it is adjective. You have to write 4 adjectives describing water. So see, cool water, then you can write hot water, salty water, then drinking water, water useful for drinking water, then pure water. See, the word noun is given there, water word is given there, and so you have written all the adjectives here. See it properly. Then word chain, very easy question. You have given here road, so ending letter is D and you have to form one meaningful word starting with D. So dog. Then G, ground. Then door, D, door. Then R, rat. If the another word is given there, you can write table. Okay. Then this is the first sub question in form of A. Here 6 activities are given here and you have to write only 4 activities. It will give you 8 marks. Then see question number B, make sentence from the phrase to be known as. To be known as in Marathi, अमुक म्हणून प्रसिद्ध असणे, अमुक म्हणून परिचित असणे. To be known as. So you can write the sentence, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is known as Captain Cool. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is known as Captain Cool. Or Rohit Sharma is known as Hitman. Rohit Sharma is known as Hitman. See the second activity, add a clause. The half clause is given here, half sentence is given here, and you have to add meaningful remaining part of the sentence in form of clause. This is the school where I study. This is the school where I study. This is the clause. This added clause makes this full sentence meaningful. Then add a prefix, care, careless. Write down here. Careless, unhealthy. Or if you have to write the prefix here, healthily, turning Y into I and then ly. Then last one, make a meaningful sentence, care or healthy. One sentence, write down the sentence, sir. My mother takes care of my family. My mother takes care, underline care, of my family. Okay, thank you. Practice all these type of easy questions at home and get full marks.